Jai Gurudev. Now, today we will look at the next line. सब सुख लाए तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. It means that all the happiness of this world is received just by coming to your refuge. There is nothing that is not achieved by coming to your refuge. You know, God is one. In fact, it is also wrong to say that God is one. God is zero. But because of the compassion of God, God has assumed so many forms. God is infinite. It is not right to fit God into numbers, one or many. God is zero, infinite, nothing and everything. So, when God is infinite, why do we have so many gods? The Hindus, why do they worship so many forms of divine? There is a special reason behind this. The reason is that each form gives you different benefits. Like if you must have studied the Mahavidya, there you must be knowing that different forms of goddess, same Mother Durga, same Mother Parvati have taken different forms of Nau Durga, of Dasho Mahavidya. Why? Because every form has its own benefit. But then there are forms like Mahakali. Mahakali is so compassionate, she fulfills all your desires. She gives you whatever you wish to. In the same way, it is said for Hanumanji, Sab sukh laye tumhari sharna. Everything that we desire will be fulfilled by coming to your refuge. Tum rakshak kahu ko darna. When you are the one to protect us, what have we to worry about? So, I met one Nathu. He said, no, Guruji, Hanumanji can give you everything. He can give you wealth. He can give you health. He can give you prosperity. He can give you prosperity. He can take care of your enemies. He can make you win court cases. He can free you from spirits. But he cannot get you married. He cannot get you love. So I said, oh, who told you that? He said, he is himself a celibate, na? He is a brahmachari. So how can he get you love or marriage? How can he fulfill that desire of yours when he himself does not have it? So I told him, just think about it. He brought Rama's wife back to Rama. He helped God to get his wife. How can he not help you to get your wife? Impossible task. Rama could never get his wife back. He had taken a vow to only be married once in this life. And that wife was stolen by Ravan. Now, what will Rama do? What will he do? He has to stay, or he has to break his promise of being, married to just woman the whole life. And Ravan, there was no one more powerful than Ravan. Ravan took away his wife and he brought back the wife of Rama from Lanka, from the hands of Ravan. He cannot get you married. He can get you married. Sab sukh laye tumhari sharna, tum rakshak kahu ko darna. Then I told you to fulfill different desires. There are different deities. Then for protection from evil's eye, for protection from black magic, for protection from enemies, for protection from different things, different deities are there. And deities who are for protection, they cannot grant anything, and deity who are there to grant you something cannot protect you. A deity who can protect you from spirits cannot protect you from court cases. But Hanumanji is one form of divine that he can also protect you from spirits, from court cases, from evil's eye, from black magic, from each and everything, even from your enemies, even from the government, each and every single thing he can protect you from. So it is said, Sab sukh laye tumhari sharna, tum rakshak kahu ko darna. And then it is said, I'll show you one thing. I have something over here. These are the 10 wisdom goddesses. Now, each form of goddess, Mahakali, same Mother Durga has taken the 10 forms, Mahatara, Ma Chinimastika, this is Tripur Sundari, this is Bhuvneshwari, this is Tripur Bhairavi. So in this way, there are 10 great wisdom forms of goddesses to fulfill different types of desire. But here Hanumanji can fulfill all your desires. And he can also free you from all negativity and protect you from each and everything. Sab sukh laye tumhari sharna, tum rakshak kahu ko darna, Apan tej samaro ape, tino lok hakte kape. We have told you that Hanumanji's breath. It is said that the power of Hanuman, the aura, the grace, the glow of Hanuman is so powerful that no one can handle it. In these 3 worlds, everyone shivers. No one can handle your aura, your glow. It is also said that the powers you receive from pranayam, from the control of breath, Hanumanji's breath, the son of air, will be so powerful that no one will be able to handle it in these 3 worlds. It also means that Apan tej samaro ape, your light, your aura, your glow, only you can handle it. No one else. Tino lok hakte kape. All 3 worlds, everyone in the 3 worlds, they are shiver. In waking state, dreaming state, and sleeping state, everyone shivers. No one can handle the power of Hanuman. Why? Apan tej samaro ape. Your power only you can handle. Apan tej samaro ape. So pranayam if you do, no one can defeat you. No one can match your aura. No one can match your powers. Unless and until this other person is also too much into pranayam. Apan tej samaro ape. You can only handle your power, light, your power, your aura. Only you can handle your aura. Only you can handle your powers. So only a person who is well versed in pranayam can handle pranayam. You know, there is a guru in India. He became very famous for his pranayam, and after that he started selling a lot of products, Ayurvedic medicine, and then groceries and ghee and soap and shampoos and everything. But he became famous just by teaching simple pranayam. Simple ABCD of pranayam he started teaching, and he was regular with his practice. Now, of course, he has coming backwards because he has stopped preaching pranayam, stopped teaching pranayam. But before, he would only teach pranayam. He was such a simple person, even in knowledge, that He used to say that Kapalbhati is pranayam. Kapalbhati is not a pranayam, it is a Agnisar Kriya. But he would tell people, okay, Kapalbhati is pranayam. And he would teach. He became world famous. Now his products are world famous. So pranayam can make you rich. Pranayam can give you love. Pranayam can get you. Pranayam can do anything for you. All your desires can be fulfilled by just the practice of pranayam. Huh? So please take it very seriously, and you know where to find the pranayam videos on our YouTube channel. So we'll see you with the next time tomorrow. Please share this knowledge, this video with everyone for everyone's benefit. Hari Om Tat Sat.